Hi everyone, welcome to my simple kitchen. Today we're making a mouth-watering cinnamon monkey bread. This recipe is perfect for a special weekend breakfast and uses just 5 simple ingredients. You'll start by opening up 2 cans of refrigerated biscuits. Cut each biscuit into 4 bite-sized pieces using either a knife or a pizza cutter. Add all of those biscuit pieces into a large Ziploc bag. Pour in a half a cup of white sugar. And 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I've been eating monkey bread since I was a kid, so I can't take full credit for this recipe, but it is so good. I get asked for the recipe just about every time I make it. Give those a good shake until all of the biscuit pieces are fully coated. Make sure you grease your bundt pan so it doesn't get stuck after baking. You can use butter, cooking spray, or any oil you have on hand. You're going to dump the coated biscuit pieces into the bundt pan. Feel free to add the extra cinnamon sugar on top if you'd like. And level that out. Then you'll melt a stick of butter and make sure it's fully melted. Stir in 3/4 cups of brown sugar and pour that as evenly as possible over the biscuits. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Toss that in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. Just wait until you see how good this smells while this is baking. Your house will smell like a professional bakery. After 40 minutes, the top should be lightly brown and the biscuits are fully cooked. Pull it out of the oven and let it sit for about 30 minutes to cool. Flip it over and you'll have the most delicious pull-apart bread, perfect for any breakfast or brunch. Let me know in the comments if you give it a try. Enjoy!